Wait.
Start already.
Okay.
Okay, good afternoon everyone. Today we are in Bukit Ketumbar, somewhere near Cheras. It's a very easy hike, and as you can see, the group is expanded. Today we have a lot of newcomers, a lot of people joining us. So hopefully,
Say hi.
Say hi, this is our junior hiker.
So hopefully after this they will join us for more. Don't just stop from here. Okay? All right.
So tell us about the Bukit now.
Okay. Well, what is interesting about this Bukit is there's a lot of four-legged creatures waiting for up there. What is it? We'll show you later.
There.
Okay. So,
alright.
see you.
Okay.
Right.
Okay, let me show you the first entry part of this hike. Basically, it goes like this. And this is where we all start. So actually, there's a washroom right over there, and the hike goes up over here. So we were from that direction.
Hey, monkey. Can you see?
Spotted a couple of monkeys here. Don't know whether you can catch them or not.
Monkey like.
Okay, so far the first few steps is pretty normal, just a normal trail. Not so really challenging. I think even for beginners also you all can do. We encountered a leech already, as expected.
Yeah, rainy season.
Rainy season. Some monkeys were waiting for us down there. So that's about it lah. I think it's pretty much an easy hike lah. I think easy.
Yeah, it's a quite
Easy going lah.
straightforward trail.
That's the trail. So you shouldn't worry about getting lost also. So we'll see you guys at the top. Wait. Don't throw. Look at this.
அப்படியே நிக்கும் பாருங்க அந்த ரோட்ல. நீங்க நடக்கிறதுக்கு நிக்கும்.
Look at this.
Yeah, ready.
Ever ready.
Standby mode.
Ever ready on standby mode to attack.
Oh, the floor printed. It's not moving. Yeah.
We got something interesting ahead of us. Let's see what is it. Okay, interesting. Let me show you a nice view. Beautiful view. Some nice artwork here. Love shape. Say hello. So what do we have here? Oh, so it's like a mini gym. But it doesn't work. Oh, what a shame.
It works, but it's hard because it's rusty and it's...
Ah, okay. So basically this is like your first checkpoint where you can sit down, take a breath, relax a bit, and enjoy the spectacular view. Okay, so pretty much going up now from where we started earlier. This is how the trail look like. Go this way then. I see people are coming down. Okay, gotta go catch up the rest then. So basically we were from that direction. Now we move here.
This way.
This way, this way. Looks like this is going up. This could be another way.
This is going up. I think same way.
Probably will connect lah.
We will hang in.
We'll come here. Oh, I think this is more of a challenging way lah. So basically it's all the way up. So basically there are two ways. It's either left or right. I think we'll
This
finish
is one
with
way?
the same route.
Yeah.
So, ask brother, how is it? Okay. So how's the hike so far?
Huh?
How's your hike so far?
First time to split up.
It's a bit tough. Ah, okay, okay. How is the place for first time? Anyway, can just go up slowly. I wouldn't say the Bible thing. Anyway, in case you're wondering why we are here for these guys. Look at them. Beautiful. So, what do you think? Selfie with that? Hold on a second.
Agreed. How are you? Nice hike. Good. Good, huh? Okay, Gana. How's the experience? Good. Fantastic, huh? Fantastic.
Okay, we've seen the wild boar, and looks like we found something interesting in front of us.
Walbo represent it like all. One only. Guy, one small pig.
Oh, okay.
You cute, okay?
Now I'm not sure whether are we in some Balai PKR or what. You get the feeling like there's a general election going on here. But anyway, we spotted more of our four-legged friends here. There they are. Hold on a second. Yeah, there's a small baby and I think there's a mom.
Can bring back that. Bring back that.
What do you saw? Tell me. Tell uncle what you saw. Huh? Got some wild boar?
Wild boar.
Tell her, okay, what do you saw?
A lot of family of wild boars
Okay.
eating char kway teow.
Char kway teow. Yo. So good lah, the wild boar here. Let's see, how do I look? There you go. So this is the peak, which I guess we can do a lot of workout here. There's another one. You know, God has made this place such a beautiful world. You know, creating all these wonderful creatures. I hope through this video, maybe one day our great-grandchildren also will be lucky enough to see them. So how's everybody?
Fantastic.
Fantastic. Boy,
After this, we're going to eat wild boar.
tell uncle what you saw. What you saw?
Wild boar.
A wild boar. Do you say hi to the wild boar? What did the wild boar say then?
Hi.
Gana, how?
Warm up session, eh? Come. Oh my god.
There you go.
Huh. See, John here.
Okay, now we're descending down. So we're told that there is actually a nice spectacular view of KL. Trying to figure out where that is. Okay, that's... Basically, we were from up all the way down there. We're going like one whole round back to the car park. So this is where we are right now. So as you can see, as usual, we are prone to taking the wrong way. Took the opposite direction actually. Normal. But whatever it is, we are going still one round and we should be going down. More trail as we are going down. But it seems like there's something interesting up ahead. I wonder what is it. Oh, it's actually a nice view. It's actually a nice view of Cheras. Okay.
It must have been not the way now it's this strong lah. Kalau should be like bendy.
பாத்தீங்களா ராக்ல போசிங்க
இந்தி ஹீரோயின் கூட தோத்துருவாங்க. பறக்குறது என்ன?
Okay.
Still on the way down. So children, how do you find the hike today? Nice. Interesting?
Yeah.
Anyway guys, you're so dark already. I think can't help it. Oh, still going down. Basically, I'm supposed to look for a staircase. Because once you connect to that staircase, you're supposed to go down. Keep going, keep going. Keep going. Oh, you hear that? Yep, yep. We're going, we're going. Okay, okay, go, keep going, keep going. Keep going, keep going. Where's the waterfall?
He said
Yeah.
it's piping area.
It's okay, it's okay. Just water, just water. I'm guessing this could be probably either be a water source or a piping system. Wait, just hold on a second, hold on. Just wait, just wait.
King, okay. Is that your snake calling?
That's a big rock.
I'm gonna record this.
Okay, take the staircase and go up. Yeah, the back. Okay, keep going. So earlier could be a water source, and now maybe it could be a waterfall. There, here. Won't be able to see it because it's quite dark already. Alright, keep going, keep going. It's a bit dark right now, but and we are back. Mission accomplished.
Hello.
Hey, high five. High five. Ah, five. Okay, wonderful. Good, good. Oh, okay.
All good, good.
Yeah.
Warm up session
Warm-up session.
Warm up. What is warm up session? This is nothing lah you. Okay, makan buah.